While the woman accused of killing a mother after a botched butt injections will spend 8 years behind bars. Lisa Fernandez pled guilty to injecting the woman while unlicensed in 2018 and will spend 8 years in prison. Tonight, the victim's children and sister, who live in Katy, tell ABC 13's Daniela Hurtado they're not happy with this outcome. Daniela?
Gina, they say 8 years is not enough. They say justice wasn't served. They lost a sister, a daughter, a mother who they wish would have never gotten this procedure to begin with.
8 years ain't nothing. That's very low. Like she took a whole life.
This is Marja's son, one of 3 children who lost their mother after a botched cosmetic procedure claimed her life.
You took my mom away, and I feel like that was really bogus what you did, and I would never have a mom in my life again.
It's been nearly 5 years since her mother flew to Houston from St. Louis for a procedure she never knew would be her last.
A measly $1,000 for someone's life.
Her sister Deshauna, who lives in Katy, says it's how much the life-altering procedure cost, something she never wanted her to get in the first place.
When you go to the backyard mechanic, you get backyard mechanic work.
Her message tonight for people at home is to always assure you're getting procedures done with professionals at licensed facilities.
Mama, I miss you and I love you, and I want you to know that I think about you every day, and every time I see a butterfly, I always think of you.
They're unhappy with the sentencing and continue to mourn the loss of someone they loved so much, who brightened the room and filled them all with joy. In Houston, Daniela Hurtado, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.